there's some creative kids and adults tuning in, because this is something for anyone and everyone to try. This is so simple, maybe a bit messy, but I think you'll love the results. All you will need is paper and soft pastels. Not the oil pastels, you won't get the same effect, but the soft chalk-like pastels, because it's all about the blending. And we're going to start simply by, I'm just going to remove this. We're starting on a piece of, now I have sketchbook paper, which is better if you have sketchbook paper, a little heavier. But if you don't, if you just have regular white bond paper, that's fine too. In fact, this is what you want to start with anyway when you want to tear open our horizon line. That's what we're going to start with. So simply by starting to tear and twist, and make sure you move it around a little bit, because we really want to get a very random shape. Something like that or that, whichever one you want to use. And I have one already torn, and I'm going to tape it on my piece of paper here at the top. And this is simply going to be my tree line. So there, I've placed that on top of my sketchbook paper, and I've got my soft pastel, and I'm simply going to start doing nice downward strokes. Not upward. Don't do this up and down, because what you'll do is you'll flip up the paper and then you'll get some pastel underneath that. Don't want that. So just have nice downward strokes. Bring it down as far as you want it to. And you're going to take simply just a clean tissue, and you're going to press it and push it into the paper. Bring it down as far as you want to come. You can see how that just blends really nicely into the paper. Okay, that's the first step. We remove that, and now you can see you've created this nice random tree line. I've also pre-torn another one, and as you can see, I've already used it, but I wanted to use it again, which you can certainly do. So I'm now going to place this on top. So I want to create another tree line. But what you could do, you could certainly continue to use the one you started with. You could simply move it around and create a different shape. I'm going to switch to a darker green, different color. I don't have to, but I'm going to do that. And we just do the same thing. We're going to create another edge. And move that. And now we've created a nice, almost three-dimensional look to our horizon. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip this over, because I've got a nice straight edge here. And I want to create a shoreline. So I'm just going to retape that there. You can see I've done this before with the blue, and I'm using it again. And because this is the foreground, I'm going to take it down even further. I want it to fill up the rest of that space. And again, press it through. I'm going to go all the way down. Oops. Just take that off carefully. Now I've created a nice shoreline. Now what I'd like to try to do is create a reflection in the water of our tree line. So here is what we had used. This was how we originally had done it. So now what I want to do is I'm just going to flip it over this way and bring it down maybe about this far and retape it. But of course, to do the same procedure, I'm going to have to flip the paper too. I'm going to use the same green. It's going to come right up to the shoreline. how this looks. Because you've already got a color down there on the blue, you might want to go a little heavier with this application. So let me just go over a little bit in a couple of spots. Good enough. Okay, we'll flip it back. And we'll remove that again. And you've created somewhat of a reflection of this tree line here. Very subtle. And do that. You can also continue to add more just freehand without the patterns. And what I like to do is I like to take our kneaded eraser, gotta knead it, get it nice and thin, and we can actually erase some horizon or some horizontal lines, sorry, to create a little bit of a surface. Kind of gives it that water look. So this one here shows how you can carry on with this and add more details, add more to your reflection, maybe some birds and another level. Do whatever you like. Also, try a completely different color scheme. As always, do your own thing with this and have fun.